Welcome to the Driving Theory Test United Kingdom Pro. Question 1. What's the minimum time gap you should leave when following a vehicle on a wet road? A. 1 second. B. 2 seconds. C. 3 seconds. D. 4 seconds. The correct answer is D. Question 2. When are you allowed to use hazard warning lights? A. When stopped and temporarily obstructing traffic. B. When traveling during darkness without headlights. C. When parked on double yellow lines to visit a shop. D. When traveling slowly because you're lost. The correct answer is A. Question 3. Where would you expect to see these markers? A. On a motorway sign. B. On a railway bridge. C. On a large goods vehicle. D. On a diversion sign. The correct answer is C. Question 4. What should the white car do when the traffic lights change to green? A. Wait for the cyclist to pull away. B. Move off quickly and turn in front of the cyclist. C. Move up close to the cyclist to beat the lights. D. Sound their horn to warn the cyclist. The correct answer is A. Question 5. When mustn't you sound your vehicle's horn? A. Between 10:00 p.m. and 6:00 a.m. in a built-up area. B. At any time in a built-up area. C. Between 11:30 p.m. and 7:00 a.m. in a built-up area. D. Between 11:30 p.m. and 6:00 a.m. on any road. The correct answer is C. Question 6. You're driving on an open road in dry weather. What should the distance be between you and the vehicle in front? A. A 2-second time gap. B. 1 car length. C. 2 meters. 6 feet 6 inches. D. 2 car lengths. The correct answer is A. Question 7. You're approaching a busy junction. What should you do when, at the last moment, you realize you're in the wrong lane? A. Continue in that lane. B. Force your way across. C. Stop until the area has cleared. D. Use clear arm signals to cut across. The correct answer is A. Question 8. What should you do as you approach a long road tunnel? A. Put on your sunglasses and use the sun visor. B. Turn your headlights onto main beam. C. Change down to a lower gear. D. Make sure your radio is tuned to the frequency shown. The correct answer is D. Question 9. What does it mean if this light comes on while you're driving? A. A fault in the braking system. B. The engine oil is low. C. A rear light has failed. D. Your seatbelt isn't fastened. The correct answer is A. Question 10. You're waiting to emerge left from a minor road. A large vehicle is approaching from the right. You have time to turn, but you should wait. Why? A. The large vehicle can easily hide an overtaking vehicle. B. The large vehicle can turn suddenly. C. The large vehicle is difficult to steer in a straight line. D. The large vehicle can easily hide vehicles from the left. The correct answer is A. Question 11. Which of these plates normally appears with this road sign? A. TS4654. PNG. B. TS4090. PNG. C. TS4065. PNG. D. TS4067. PNG. The correct answer is A. Question 12. Where may you overtake on a one-way street? A. Only on the left-hand side. B. Overtaking isn't allowed. C. Only on the right-hand side. D. On either the right or the left. The correct answer is D. Question 13. You're on a motorway at night, with other vehicles just ahead of you. Which lights should you have on? A. Front fog lights. B. Main beam headlights. C. Side lights only. D. Dipped headlights. The correct answer is D. Question 14. You're driving on a road with several lanes. You see these signs above the lanes. What do they mean? A. The 2 right lanes are open. B. The 2 left lanes are open. C. Traffic in the left lanes should stop. D. Traffic in the right lanes should stop. The correct answer is B. Question 15. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Slippery road ahead. B. Tires liable to punctures ahead. C. Danger ahead. D. Service area ahead. The correct answer is C. Question 16. Traffic signs giving orders are generally which shape? A. TS4073B. PNG. B. TS4073D. PNG. C. TS4629. PNG. D. TS4668. PNG. The correct answer is D. Question 17. What's the shortest overall stopping distance on a dry road at 60 miles per hour? A. 53 meters. 175 feet. B. 58 meters. 190 feet. C. 73 meters. 240 feet. D. 96 meters. 315 feet. The correct answer is C. Question 18. Your vehicle is fitted with a handheld telephone. What should you do to use the phone? A. Reduce your speed. B. Find a safe place to stop. C. Steer the vehicle with one hand. D. Be particularly careful at junctions. The correct answer is B. Question 19. A trailer must stay securely hitched to the towing vehicle. What additional safety device must be fitted to a trailer braking system? A. Stabilizer. B. Jockey wheel. C. Corner steadies. D. Breakaway cable. The correct answer is D. Question 20. Where would you find these road markings? A. At a railway crossing. B. At a mini roundabout. C. On a motorway. D. On a pedestrian crossing. The correct answer is B. Question 21. You're traveling behind a bus that pulls up at a bus stop. What should you do? A. Accelerate past the bus. B. Watch carefully for pedestrians. C. Sound your horn. D. Pull in closely behind the bus. The correct answer is B. Question 22. Why are these yellow lines painted across the road? A. To help you choose the correct lane. B. To help you keep the correct separation distance. C. To make you aware of your speed. D. To tell you the distance to the roundabout. The correct answer is C. Question 23. You're driving on a motorway. By mistake, you go past the exit that you wanted to take. What should you do? A. Carefully reverse on the hard shoulder. B. Carry on to the next exit. C. Carefully reverse in the left-hand lane. D. Make a U-turn at a gap in the central reservation. The correct answer is B. Question 24. Which vehicle will use a blue flashing beacon? A. Motorway maintenance. B. Bomb disposal. C. Snowplow. D. Breakdown recovery. The correct answer is B. Question 25. You're on a dual carriageway. Ahead, you see a vehicle with an amber flashing light. What could this be? A. An ambulance. B. A fire engine. C. A doctor on call. D. A disabled person's vehicle. The correct answer is D. Question 26. What should you do when driving or riding along a motorway? A. Look much further ahead than you would on other roads. B. Travel much faster than you would on other roads. C. Maintain a shorter separation distance than you would on other roads. D. Concentrate more than you would on other roads. The correct answer is A. Question 27. You see a pedestrian waiting at a zebra crossing. What should you normally do? A. Go on quickly before they step onto the crossing. B. Stop before you reach the zigzag lines and let them cross. C. Stop to let them cross and wait patiently. D. Ignore them as they're still on the pavement. The correct answer is C. Question 28. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Compulsory maximum speed limit. B. Advisory maximum speed limit. C. Compulsory minimum speed limit. D. Advised separation distance. The correct answer is A. Question 29. When you're overtaking a cyclist, you should leave as much room as you would give to a car. What's the main reason for this? A. The cyclist might speed up. B. The cyclist might get off their bike. C. The cyclist might swerve. D. The cyclist might have to make a left turn. The correct answer is C. Question 30. Where shouldn't you park? A. On a road with a 40 miles per hour speed limit. B. At or near a bus stop. C. Where there's no pavement. D. Within 20 meters, 65 feet, of a junction. The correct answer is B. Question 31. You see a car on the hard shoulder of a motorway with a help pennant displayed. What does this mean? A. The driver is likely to be a disabled person. B. The driver is first aid trained. C. The driver is a foreign visitor. D. The driver is a rescue patrol officer. The correct answer is A. Question 32. What does this motorway sign mean? A. Temporary minimum speed 50 miles per hour. B. No services for 50 miles. C. Obstruction 50 meters, 164 feet. Ahead. D. Temporary maximum speed 50 miles per hour. The correct answer is D. Question 33. How would you identify a section of road used by trams? A. There would be metal studs around it. B. There would be zigzag markings alongside it. C. There would be a different surface texture. D. There would be yellow hatch markings around it. The correct answer is C. Question 34. How should you use the emergency telephone on a motorway? A. Stay close to the carriageway. B. Face the oncoming traffic. C. Keep your back to the traffic. D. Stand on the hard shoulder. The correct answer is B. Question 35. Which vehicles should use the left-hand lane on a 3-lane motorway? A. Any vehicle. B. Large vehicles only. C. Emergency vehicles only. D. Slow vehicles only. The correct answer is A. Question 36. Which sign means that there may be people walking along the road? A. TS 4672. PNG. B. TS 4703. PNG. C. TS 4646. PNG. D. TS 4647. PNG. The correct answer is D. Question 37. You're driving on a clear night. There's a steady stream of oncoming traffic. The national speed limit applies. Which lights should you use? A. Full beam headlights. B. Side lights. C. Dipped headlights. D. Fog lights. The correct answer is C. Question 38. You're driving along a wet road. How can you tell if your vehicle's tires are losing their grip on the surface? A. The engine will stall. B. The steering will feel very heavy. C. The engine noise will increase. D. The steering will feel very light. The correct answer is D. Question 39. You're turning left at a junction where pedestrians have started to cross. What should you do? A. Go around them, leaving plenty of room. B. Stop and wave at them to cross. C. Sound your horn and proceed. D. Give way to them. The correct answer is D. Question 40. What does the Pass Plus scheme enable newly qualified drivers to do? A. Widen their driving experience. B. Supervise a learner driver. C. Increase their insurance premiums. D. Avoid mechanical breakdowns. The correct answer is A. Question 41. What can rapid acceleration and heavy braking lead to? A. Reduced pollution. B. Increased fuel consumption. C. Reduced exhaust emissions. D. Increased road safety. The correct answer is B. Question 42. Overall stopping distance is made up of thinking distance and braking distance. You're on a good, dry road surface with good brakes and tires. What's the typical braking distance from 50 miles per hour? A. 14 meters. 46 feet. B. 24 meters. 80 feet. C. 38 meters. 125 feet. D. 55 meters. 180 feet. The correct answer is C. Question 43. What's the national speed limit for cars and motorcycles on a dual carriageway? A. 30 miles per hour. B. 50 miles per hour. C. 60 miles per hour. D. 70 miles per hour. The correct answer is D. Question 44. What's a rumble device designed to do? A. Give directions. B. Prevent cattle escaping. C. Alert you to low tire pressure. D. Alert you to a hazard. The correct answer is D. Question 45. You're turning left into a side road. What hazard should you be especially aware of? A. One-way street. B. Pedestrians. C. Traffic congestion. D. Parked vehicles. The correct answer is B. Question 46. In which of these circumstances must you show your insurance certificate? A. When making a SORN. B. When buying or selling a vehicle. C. When a police officer asks you for it. D. When having an MOT inspection. The correct answer is C. Question 47. A collision has just happened. An injured person is lying in a busy road. What's the first thing you should do to help? A. Treat the person for shock. B. Warn other traffic. C. Place them in the recovery position. D. Make sure the injured person is kept warm. The correct answer is B. Question 48. What's the purpose of road humps, chicanes and narrowings? A. To separate lanes of traffic. B. To increase traffic speed. C. To allow pedestrians to cross. D. To reduce traffic speed. The correct answer is D. Question 49. In which circumstances may you use hazard warning lights? A. When driving on a motorway to warn traffic behind of a hazard ahead. B. When you're double parked on a two-way road. C. When your direction indicators aren't working. D. When warning oncoming traffic that you intend to stop. The correct answer is A. Question 50. Which sign means no motor vehicles allowed? A. TS 4674. PNG. B. TS 4669. PNG. C. TS 4670. PNG. D. TS 4672. PNG. The correct answer is B.